guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this dramatic Valentine's Day look. We're going to be using two palettes today, both from Huda Beauty. We're going to be using the Rose Gold Remastered and the Nude. The first one we're going to be using is the Rose Gold Remastered, and we're going to go with this color right here called Doll Face and just blend that on the brow bone. Make sure you keep going until you pack a lot of pigment on because we are going for dramatic here. Next, we're going to go into the new Nude palette, and I'm going to be going in with Love Bite and blend that into the brow bone and also on the lid, leaving the center clean. You want to follow the shape of your eye socket here so you get that nice clean cut crease. Then I went with the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Nougat, and I just cut out that crease. Try to keep this concealer really nice and tight so you get that nice dramatic line, and also just bring it up just slightly at the end. Then take that color Doll Face again, and we're going to be doing something a little bit different here. We're going to connect from end to end in a straight line, or a diagonal line I should say. Then go back in with the color Love Bite and just fill in that dead space underneath. Now we have a really nice cut to work with, so we're just going to start by filling it in with the color Bear from the Nude palette. Then to add even more drama, I took Tarte's Treasure Pop in Moonwalk, and I just layered it on kind of thick in the inner corner and then just tapered it off towards the end. For the lower lash line, we're just going to blend out the color Love Bite. And for lashes, I use Huda Beauty's lashes in Samantha. For lip, I wanted to go a little bit more subtle, so I used Kylie's lip kit in Koko. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.